Hey guys, I just want to take this time to quickly give what I call a hot take on current events, and that's the Soleimani killing this past Thursday. And I just want to emphasize, as I mentioned in the intro video, what happens outside the classroom impacts what happens in the classroom. This isn't organic chemistry or calculus. This course is living and breathing based on what's going on outside. So, the Soleimani event, what I want you to think about is, I hear on the news he was a terrorist, he's killed a lot of people, he's killed a lot of Americans, but we're going to look in week two about what is terrorism, what is the definition of terrorism, who is a terrorist, who is not. And if we look at our course material, there might be some questions whether Soleimani was actually what we would consider a terrorist. Uh, and again, I don't want to get political here, but the majority of his targets were soldiers, U.S. soldiers at least. Um, does that make him a terrorist as opposed to if he targeted civilians or not? That's a key question to ask as we go forward. So was Soleimani a terrorist? And then was the information there that warranted an imminent strike? And we're going to come back to that word imminent because according to the authorization for use of military force, all our drone strikes, all our predator or high value targeting is supposed to be only under imminent strikes. That word imminent has been kind of loosely defined by our military policy, our previous military policy, to attack people that might not have been imminently trying to strike the United States. And not again, I don't want to go political one way or another, but if we're going to say it, let's not use the word imminent. Let's broaden the aperture so we have authorization to actually go after these guys. So two quick hot takes for the current event on Soleimani. Just keep this as you go forward in the class.